Palmer Surname Meaning and History presented by coadb.com. It's an English nickname from the Middle English word palmer, meaning pilgrim to the Holy Land, or from the Old French palmer or paumere, so called from the palm branch carried by such pilgrims upon their return, often folded into a cross. The term was also used to denote a monk who traveled from shrine to shrine under a vow of poverty. Early bearers included Richard Le Palmer in Middlesex in 1198, Hugh Palmer in Scotland in 1204, Richard Palmerus in Scotland in 1253, several more, Alice Le Palmer in Cambridgeshire in 1273, all the way through Richard Palmer of Yorkshire in 1379. Knighthoods, including Sir Thomas Palmer of Pollicott in 1522, Sir Henry Palmer of London in 1539, Sir Thomas Palmer, an English soldier, in 1532, Sir Anthony Palmer of Suffolk in 1603, Sir Henry Palmer, a naval officer, sometime between the years 1588 and 1601, Sir James Palmer, a herald and painter, in 1629, Sir James Frederick Palmer, a businessman, in 1857, who we see here, and Sir Elwin Mitford Palmer, financial advisor, 1897, and lastly, Sir Arthur Power Palmer, a military general, in 1903. Noble titles held. The Earldom of Castlemaine was a title created in the Peerage of Ireland in 1661 for Roger Palmer, the husband of Barbara Palmer, who was mistress to King Charles II. He was also given the title Baron Limerick. The Palmer baronetcy of Wingham in the county of Kent was created in the baronetage of England in 1621 for Sir Thomas Palmer, a member of Parliament for Arundel. The Palmer baronetcy of Carlton in the county of Northampton in the baronetage of England was created in 1660 for the lawyer and politician Sir Geoffrey Palmer. The Palmer baronetcy of Castlelaken in the county of Mayo was created in the baronetage of Ireland in 1777 for Sir Roger Palmer. The Palmer baronetcy of Grinkle Park in the county of York and of Newcastle upon Tyne was created in the baronetage of the United Kingdom in 1886 for Sir Charles Palmer, a coal and shipping magnate and liberal politician. Estates and homes, Castlelaken from County Mayo, Ireland. Kenmure Park in Dublin, Ireland. Grinkle Park in Yorkshire, England. East Carlton Hall in Northumberland, England. And Carlton Hall in Leicestershire, England. Landed gentry included Palmer of Holme Park in County Berkshire, England. Palmer of Nazing Park in Essex, England. Palmer of Withcote Hall in Leicestershire, England. Palmer of Rahan House in County Kildare, Ireland. Notables: Beatrice C. Palmer, an American singer and dancer born in Chicago, Illinois, who allegedly had an affair with the boxer Jack Dempsey. Ennis Newton Palmer, a career officer in the United States Army who served in the Mexican-American War, Civil War, and the Western Frontier. Adrian Palmer, an American astronomer and one of the first women to earn a doctorate in astronomy. Pedlar Palmer was an English boxer who held the World Bantamweight Championship from 1895 to 1899. Sophia French Palmer was an American nurse and the first editor-in-chief of American Journal of Nursing. She was also president of the New York State Board of Nurse Examiners. Early settlers included William Palmer of Massachusetts in 1621, Abraham Palmer of Massachusetts in 1630, Henry Palmer of Virginia in 1638, Sarah Palmer of Maryland in 1659, and George Palmer of Pennsylvania in 1682, as well as several others. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, link in the description. Thank you very much.